Hey guys!
So me and Kenny can't decide what to eat, so we're gonna drive around and act like idiots to see, ooh, we like that, ooh, we like that.
So today we're gonna be doing a Q&A and a mukbang. Daryl already got food, he got Jack in the Box, and we're gonna get Chick-fil-A, and then we're gonna answer some questions here today. Yeah, so right now we're gonna drive to Chick-fil-A right now. Some of these questions are pretty interesting.
Let me see one.
Yeah, you don't
Shit! Interesting. Oh, don't say it then. Just say, oh, we got a couple questions and that's it. Just so make it out like urge to want me to say it. Shit. No, I want to fucking read it. Hey, we filming right now. What's going on, yo? Hey,
doing 2 videos. We're doing a
doing 2
mukbang
videos instead of 1.
What do you want? Do you want a sandwich, or do you want nuggets, or do you want
I want the one I had like last time, but I don't remember.
Was it a sandwich?
It was a meal.
Yeah, what kind of meal?
I forgot what number it was. I have to go see.
You'll see. Oh,
I think it's the number 5, but I feel like it's wrong. I mean, we could have used that one, but okay. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh, it's 7?
Oh, the number 7 meal. Yeah. Okay.
Chick-fil-A this morning. My name is Lisa. May I have the name to start off your order?
Kenny.
Wonderful. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a number 2 deluxe meal?
Number 2 deluxe, the meal. And what would you like your beverage?
Dr. Pepper.
You got it. And what else can I get for you?
And then number 7 meal.
You got it. And the beverage for that one?
What do you want?
Coke with no ice.
Coke with no ice.
Coke with no ice. You got it.
That's all.
Alrighty, are we doing any sauces today?
Chick-fil-A sauce. Do you want any sauce?
Sure.
Chick-fil-A sauce, you got it. Perfect. It is going to be $18.71. So the art advisor is leaving you around the corner.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Shit, okay.
Hi,
Hello.
spicy luncheon with grilled chicken, both medium fries with a Dr. Pepper and a Coke with no ice?
Yeah.
Alright, $18.71 for you. Alright, so here is your receipt. $129 is your change.
Thank you. Coconut.
Thanks.
Thank you.
And we'll have that out shortly.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You too.
I got it.
Got the food.
We got the food, y'all. Smelling dope. Honestly, our food smells good right now.
He said he hasn't had Chick-fil-A.
I haven't had it since the last time we went to Chick-fil-A.
High school.
Yeah,
So,
I haven't had it since the last time we went all together.
Hold that one.
Oh shit! We're going Tokyo Drift again. Oh shit! I keep pressing buttons. I don't even know what I'm pressing. But anyways, hi. I caught the camera just in time, so I saved his life again. I saved his channel. I saved the channel, yay! If not, then I'd probably be paying like what, a good $300 of your camera. So find a good parking spot real quick.
Okay, so we got Chick-fil-A.
We got Chick-fil-A, you got this burger.
Coke, Dr. Pepper. We got a spicy deluxe here. And then,
damn burger, bro.
okay, shit.
You give me those attitude, I'll give you
got,
attitude. I got
a
this.
grilled chick, I don't know, what is it called?
You can read it.
Shit. Grilled club?
Grilled club or something like that. I don't know.
Okay.
It's the number 7 meal.
The very first question is, do you want some Daryl? Do you sell food?
We should have asked
Oh,
for
yeah.
fries.
Oh yeah, if you wanted fries, I could buy you some. Okay, so the first question is from Dreamcatcher Q, and they ask, how has life been after graduating from high school? What have you been up to? Are you in college right now, and what are you majoring in? So, how has life been after high school?
Pretty chill.
Pretty.
I've been working more.
Doing okay. I'm still working and stuff like that. Even though I work in IMAX, just working on the new movies that are coming out soon.
We're actually by IMAX right now.
Yeah, it may be YouTube thumbs. I can get you guys.
Yeah, IMAX right there.
From what I heard, They can watch, if he's an employee, you can watch the movies that are coming out soon.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
there is Dragon Ball Super, Glass, Kid Who Be King, and all the movies.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Graduating after high school was a relief. I hated high school, and college is so much better. What I've been up to, I've been working. I just got a job. 5 months ago I got a job. 5 months ago, right? About 5 months
I don't
ago.
know. It was before graduation. That's for sure.
Yeah, around there. And then I got a job. Nathan got me that job. It's an okay job. I'm making money. And am I in college right now? Yes, I'm in college. I'm doing my general education right now, getting my Associates of Arts. Don't know what I'm majoring in. I don't know if I'm going to major in film still, but I don't know. What are you going to major in?
Well, I'm pretty much trying to get at least Associates of Arts also, or Associates of Science, to be honest. I'm still deciding. I'm not sure.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
So the footage that you're gonna see right now, this footage was filmed on Nathan's phone, and then when it got sent, something happened and it got all blurry. So you guys can still hear us and you kind of can see us, but it's just a little blurry.
So at Big Nick 3 asked, can you fit a condom on your head?
I don't think so.
I fucking wish. I don't know. I don't think I want to. I would honestly not want to.
That could be a future bit.
Shit. Truth or Dare, limited edition.
Okay.
Miss Gloria asked, is anyone planning to move out? Will you ever move in with each other? That's a good question. I don't know.
Moving out.
As soon as I get my damn degree, I will.
We don't have enough money. Well, I don't have enough money.
Well, as soon as we get the degrees, though, then we can pretty much get better jobs.
It's $1,000 for an apartment here. Right now we're by the Sparks Marina here. That's $1,200 for one bed. Then living together, I don't know.
I mean, it would be nice if we vlog every day,
Yeah.
and all that. But I don't know. I can't see.
It would be easier
It would
to
be
film things.
And it would be easier for the rent too, because we'll all be working. Probably.
So I think a couple more years, maybe. Yeah.
That's what you're good.
If I have enough money, then.
All right. This person asked, when will you stop being ugly? This is for me.
It's ironic.
Oh shit! I don't know. Nice try, guys. That's funny, but I don't know. That's something that probably would never happen. That's funny though. I appreciate how you guys think I'm ugly. What is it?
Read it. Read it, damn it.
At Just Dobrik asked, when is the baby vlog coming? When will you finally have a baby?
And besides the other question, will I ever stop being ugly? Well, if I keep being ugly, I can't have a kid.
You can adopt.
I'm going to adopt a honeybee. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. I don't even think I'm good enough to adopt. I'll be a single dad that always wears a hat because it makes his face look pretty. But yeah, this other question should be for me too.
Which one?
This one. Because you got no Kia Soul. I did. Well, to my car, for the next question from Gary Ant 312. Whatever happened to my car? Yeah, I crashed it by accident. I don't want to go into detail because it's stupid. But yeah, I crashed it and I lost it. And now I'm using my dad's old car, which it's pretty much a car that I took the test and passed it on. And while my dad has a new car, which is a 2018 Kia Stinger GT, which is pretty nice. Ooh, the fucking car can go fast.
McFlurry _Obi.
That sounds funny.
Pizza or sushi?
Pizza or sushi?
Fuck, that's a good question.
Because both of them are
I
good.
both love them.
I know, those two are so good.
They're too good. I don't know. I probably have to say pizza.
I don't know.
I have to say pizza. I can't. I mean, I don't know. Can I choose
no.
both? Come on, man. I was gonna say both.
Okay.
Fuck it.
Sushi.
I think
Sushi is good.
Sushi is good. Yeah.
Pizza is really good too.
Yeah, sushi, pizza, whatever.
Last question.
Tyler Jerry, 1916. Asks, what is your best moment in high school?
My best moment in high school. Getting out of high school. Graduating.
Honestly, if I don't know, probably when we started doing the series, to be honest, that was probably the best
The best thing, yeah.
for me. But
I think that the best thing that happened in high school is when we all met with each other and actually made a series out of it. Yeah, that was really nice every day. Every week every week we would make an
once a
episode.
week, I guess.
That grew my channel a bit, and then we got to know more people. Well, this is the original crew here.
I think the series is pretty okay because every time we go out and
You can see why you like the songs.
yeah. So, anyways, we have good times. Yeah, I like going out to lunch. That's all. That's the main thing.
I think that's all in high school that I really enjoyed.
Everything else was bullshit.
Yeah, a lot of drama, a lot of school. It seems better. College is
Way better.
way better.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. And okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Yo.
I'm desperate for views here. I need followers. So he's back on the videos now.
Head for the hills, y'all. Shit. Security guard comes in. Now recording? Hi. Remember Gustavo from our English class before you left? He was like near us too. He was near our sitting here.
Or anyone.
He would say that.
I hated that class.
That's why he dropped out.
Professor, she made references towards Asian people that stereotypical things about Asian people, but like as a professor you shouldn't do that, but an Asian person shouldn't know everything in the world. That's why you're in college. You're not gonna know every fucking thing. Serious.
Shit, I remember that one.
I'm not gonna know everything about fucking English. It's got me.
They created a new Kenny.
Like this.
We're at the Apple store right now. Hey, what's up, everyone? Kenny needs one of those for sure. Very slow. What's the cheapest one? It should be cheap.
This is the X one.
$3 a month. Sure, you got more notifications than I do. Kenny's low-key want to go car shopping for some reason. He wants to look at all those Toyotas.
If I was gonna go car shopping, I wouldn't go find a Toyota.
Look, guys, a Porsche.
There's expensive stuff in fillers. Gucci bags.
Go get yourself a Gucci belt. I'm kidding.
Watch my other video about $1,000.
Shit.
I don't think so.
Yes, you want to go get a Gucci belt. Alright, cool. God, it smells like heaven. It's him in his leather jacket. He looks like from Greece. Whoa, careful.
Is he going? No, I think he's waiting. No,
Shit. It's a shit park. Yo.
Daryl's back.
Yeah, I'm back, bro. How you guys doing?
Good. How about you?
Oh, I'm great.
Life's been okay.
My music turned up.
Okay, actually, okay. You're gonna do manually. I guess you're gonna. Do you know how to do it? I hope so.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm so not used to this. I totally forgot about this. I was like, I could just see me doing this, just zooming in and out. Zoom in.
Pray for the wicked on the weekend. Mama, can I get another amen? Whoa.